Well, first things first is I'm not a YouTuber, so if this video doesn't have all the angles or the clearest quality, I apologize. For my project, I did the Dakota Firehole, and I came across this project through looking through the U.S. Army Ranger Handbook, and as I did that, it had a little bit of what a Dakota Firehole is, but not that much, so I just turned to YouTube as most people do these days, and as I looked through many videos, I found it quite interesting about how it works and how you can use it and what people use it for.
Alright, so here's my plot of land. At first, I'm going to dig a hole that is about 2 to 3 feet deep. I'm going to do 2 feet, and then I'm going to leave a gap, a little gap like right there, which is going to be about 1 foot deep, or 1 foot wide, and then I'm going to dig another hole, which is going to be about 1 foot to 1.5 foot deep. And so right now I'm going to dig that, and you'll see where I'm going from there. Alright, so here's my hole number 1. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but that's about 15 inches deep, and that's going to be my air hole right there. And then I'm going to leave a gap right here, and I'm going to dig another hole right here, which is where I'm going to put the fire. Alright, so here are my holes. This one right here, it's hard to tell on camera, but that is about 2 feet deep. And then this one, even though it looks deep on camera, this one's about 1 foot deep. And here's my little gap right there, and right now I'm going to build a tunnel underneath that to create an airway so that the fire can get oxygen. So if we go down, you can see that there's a tunnel right there that leads over there, which is where the oxygen is going to feed the fire. So the hole that I'm gonna put the fire in, I put a little shelf here. It's not really required, but I just did it to hold the sticks. And then from now I'm gonna pile sticks up on here, get my nest, light that, and put it inside the pile of sticks, and then I'll show you. So here we have my nest going. We're gonna grow it and then put it in here and get the fire started. All right, so here's the fire. They can be used to put right here. You can make a shelf, and you can put a pot to boil water. And these fires tend to burn hotter because with it enclosed, the air tends to get hotter, which causes it to rise faster, and it causes like a natural vacuum through that hole right there, so it keeps pumping it through. And with that, it can boil a pot faster if you're trying to purify water. This fire is commonly used by stealth campers more. But a lot of people just use it because once you're done, you just cover it with dirt and you just end up leaving no trace. And I'll show you that right now when you're done. You can't really notice that. So you can see that took about maybe 20 seconds, and those are the holes right there. You can't really tell, you just covered it up. There's no smoke, and right there you just left no trace, as they taught us in Boy Scouts.